10.3 is properties of reflections. I'm going to guide you through the discovery of basic properties of reflections. Let's do a little mental math here. Let's look at the first column, and I want you to find where the millions place is. Remember, if you can't remember, you struggle. The decimal point's always at the end of the number, so you can count up. We have the ones place, the tens, the hundreds, the thousands, the 10,000s, the 100,000. So the 4 is in the millions place. The 5 in the next number's in the millions place, and the 9 in the next number is in the millions place. So what is the value of that 4? Well, if it's in the millions place, the value of it in the first one is 4 million. The value in the second one is 5 million. The value of the 9 is 9 million. So how many 100 millions are there? Well, in the first one there's 4, because that's what we underline. In the second one there's 5. And in the final one there's 9. Now I'm strictly talking about the place value that we were looking at. In the next one I want you to find the 10,000s. Well, again, think of it as ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000. So it would be the 5, it would be the 4 in the next number, and the 0 in the next number. So if we're looking just at the place value, what is the value of the digit? Well, the 5 would be 50,000. The 4 would be 40,000. And the 0 would be 0,000s. And in the final one, let's look at the 10 millions. So we got ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions. We have a 0, a 4, and a 0. So what's the value of the digit? Well, there are 0 millions according to the place value. And the next number there are 4 10 millions. And in the final one again, 0, 10 millions. Put the recessed edge of the mirror on the line next to the dog's head on MathMasters page 309. When you look directly through the mirror, they will see the image of the dog's head. It's best to look through the mirror at eye level. Carefully draw the image of the dog's head on the paper where they see it through the mirror, and describe that on the back of MathMasters page 309 how the drawings are alike and how they are different. Compare the two. When you completed this task, please come back to me and show me what you've done. I want you to realize that the picture of the dog's head to the left of the line of reflection is the pre-image. And remember that pre means before, so they can think of it as the before image. So how are the two drawings alike, and how are they different? So fold MathMasters page 309 in half the lengthwise along the lines of reflection. Hold the folded sheet up to the light to check if the pre-image and the image in problem 1 and the pre-image and image in problem 3 match. So for each problem, are the pre-image and the image congruent? Yes. How do you know? They're exactly the same size and shape. Go ahead and go into your math journal now and do math journal page 278, and then go to the math journal answer key and correct the problems. If you had problems with any of those math boxes, please come back to the table and talk to me. Your final step for finishing 10.3 is to do the study link. Go ahead and go up and get it. Shade the squares to create the reflected image of each pre-image.